Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Out in the greenhouse this morning and had just a quick little video here for you about two mammillaria that I bought a couple months ago. It's called the Ginsu Marus. And I bought the first one on the left here at the end of March and up potted it right away to a 6-inch pot, and it is just taken off. Got this one about 5 days later because I liked the first one and got busy with things. I didn't up pot it. I have a few projects that I was working on and just wanted to show you the difference. Here's a picture of when I had them about the same size. And the soil that they give you when you buy these plants from Home Depot, and that is manageable, but if you put it in the right soil mix and then do a nice up potting to it, look at the difference. That's just in 2 months. I wanted to share the soil mix. It's going to be a 50% of the Miracle-Gro cactus and succulent mix, 35% perlite and 15% drainage rock, and then I added a teaspoon of worm castings. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try to up pot this one soon. It's starting to get a little hot out, so the perfect time, I believe, was that end of March. Just really took off, and wanted to share that with everybody. But have a good day. Please like and subscribe if you can, and then we'll see you on the next video.